Good day to the each of you. We are the Group 4. Now we're here to tackle about the example of logistic and customer service in hospitality. And the title of our article that we present today is COVID-19 and the Global Hotel Industry, a Roadmap to Recovery Part 2. It is the idea by Yuki Hu, Eva Liu, and George Yu in March 4, 2020. For the introduction, earlier this week, Part 1 detailed how the hospitality industry can recover from the COVID-19 coronavirus from a revenue management, sales, and marketing perspective. And now we discuss about the Part 2 that it examines recovery across food and beverage meeting and events, operation, and finance. First topic that we discuss for today is the food and beverage. Let me say the introduction first. Food and Beverage Department, or F&B, is responsible for maintaining high quality of food and service, food costing, managing restaurants, bars, and etc. Food and beverage service is the service of food made in the kitchen and drinks prepared by bars to the customer or to our guest at the food beverage premises. And now Ms. Nicole de la Cruz will discuss how to recover the F&B.
As per Mr. Ortega, we will first talk about the food and beverage. During the freeze point, the food and beverage department can work on 2 to 3 simplified set lunch and set dinner menus with the consideration of purchasing. This action will greatly serve in-house or outside customers' needs. COVID-19 will have an impact on guest dietary habits and taste preference. After the outbreak, people will pay more attention to hygiene and dietary consideration. At our years, we consider the designing menus with this in mind. So, base po sa pahayag ng www.hopeспar.com, naka-recover ang hospitality industry sa COVID-19 coronavirus sa pagpuprovide nila ng contactless food delivery service kung saan akma bilang estratehiya upang maibigay natin ang needs ng customer. Maliban pa rito, dahil sa outbreak, mas naging mabusisi ang mga customer pagdating sa hygiene at food preparation. Kaya nagmag ang menu upang ma-capture ang gusto ng guests. Gayun din sa dine-in service. Nagbawa sila ng capacity para makapag-operate sa kabila ng social distancing.
Thank you, Ms. Nicole. Now we proceed to the meetings and events, or conference, are huge part of the hospitality industry and are continuing to grow. Whether it can be focused on music, sports, learnings, or luxury, or any events that hotel industry generate. And Ms. Deray and Mr. Talampas will discuss how to recover the meetings and events.
Me first. Okay. From the word of meeting and events, manage will you feel at easy? Will face-to-face, virtual, and hybrid events and meeting planning. Whether you are hosting launching a new product, hosting a national sales meeting, creating a special customer event, recognizing achievement, or arranging medical discovery, meeting creative group can help you create an experience that feels just right. And we have a big difference between the two. First and foremost, all meetings are events, but not all events are meetings. A meeting can have a event within it. So, the annual meeting associate can have our dinner as well, the multi-agenda. And we can help you develop global meeting events, especially designed to fit your special needs. Our experience design approach ensures help you will help you connect with your audience in the most immersive and meaningful way. We are expert at combining innovation technologies with personalized attention while delivering a breakthrough returning on events full or business effective.
Mr. Talampas.
Thank you, Mr. Ortega. Dahil na din sa kinakaharap natin na sitwasyon ng ating bansa dahil sa pandemic COVID-19, maraming naluluging kumpanya at isa na din dito ang mga hotel na nagbibigay ng magandang serbisyo sa kanilang mga customer. Dahil sa kawalan ng customer at dahil na din sa lockdown o hindi afford ang kanilang serbisyo ng isang hotel. Dahil doon, kinakaharap nila ang loss of revenue. Hindi nila kinikita ang natural na kinikita nila nung wala pang pandemya sa ating bansa. Isa sa mga nakapaloob sa isang serbisyo ng isang hotel ay ang kanilang pag-aayos ng events and catering sa kanilang hotel o sa iba pang lugar. Sa ngayon, ang ganitong mga klaseng event ay pansamantalang na ito dahil sa pandemyang tinatalasa ng mundo.
Thank you, Ms. Daray and Mr. Talampas. Now we proceed to the operation. Operation, we know that the operation is the basic function of business organization because the operation is the part of business that is responsible for producing goods and services. The operation activities are design a store layout, which gives smooth and effective flow, continually examine and improve operation practice, monitor and enhance quality of service to customers, and importantly now, they are responsible to maintain cleanliness and safety of storage area. It will be reported by Ms. Rialyn de Guzman.
Operation. Focus on forecasting for sanitation and room control during this outbreak. Revenue managers should update the hotel occupancy forecasting and provide them to operation department for proper staffing. The revenue managers needs to keep close communication with the front desk and housekeeping department to make reasonable arrangement for the use of rooms so the hotel can carry out energy control, saving and by floor by area. Sa panahon natin ngayon na may COVID-19, mas priority nila yung paglilinis ng or pagsasanitize ng room, and then as a manager, be responsible na bigyan ng task or bigyan ng mga gagawin yung mga employees para sa kalinisan, mapanatiling malinis yung mga room. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Rialyn. And now we have last, the finance. For the introduction, finance is also one of the basic function of business organization. And finance is a subject of critical importance to successful operation and management of hospitality firm. It can be failed if it cannot generate a rate of return that makes worthwhile for people and institutions to invest. So based on this article, forecasting is the key. The forecasting of cost focus on energy, labor, and all those unnecessary expenses, and then control those costs to minimize it. This process requires collaboration from all. So, like finance, forecasting is also a critical importance for optimizing hotel as the foundation for strategic decision. It means forecasting is decision making that can be used as a tool by the hotel industry to help them in budgeting, planning, and estimating future growth. In simplest term, it is the attempt to predict future outcomes based on past events, especially now we are here in pandemic, and management insight. And staff will know importantly to distinguish features in service or product lines and under customer response to promotion and more. And according to the history, hospitality industry is not completely destroyed um, in any difficult time. That's why we need to restart on 2020. And all we need to do is rebuilding and still by COVID-19. And now we have here some question. Common problems during this pandemic is we know that everything is limited. Loss of revenue, healthy environment. Next slide. Everything's limited. In cooperation with a trusted logistic third party, hotel restaurant may also qualify to provide contactless food delivery service to capture the demand during the freezing period. During the Chinese New Year, taking an advantage of hotel labors and food storage with professional cooking to supply outside customer and increase revenue to maintain cash flow. Loss of revenue. Convention hotels may explore expanding into new market, such as office buildings or small enterprises in the area that do not have a staff cafeteria to provide food delivery and deliver products. This can help to promote the hotel's reputation, increase a total of revenue by fully using the resources as well as release some cash flow pressure. The finance department can negotiate with the purchasing suppliers to extend the payment cycle or temporarily reduce the proportion of expenses. Try to seek help from rent reduction or reduction on brand management expense. With the help of the policy of loan rate reduction, only keep the necessary purchases to maintain hotel operations. And about the healthy environment, hotels need to focus on more details of hotel service, health service, including guest room and hand sanitizer, fresh air system, display or indoor air quality, high quality vending, nourishing organic food supplies, airport transportation, vehicles in clean and disinfect condition, and etc. to improve service quality and customer satisfaction. And now we have here a suggestion, and it will be discussed by Mr. Madrid.
Go. So, na-discuss ko nito, how can the hotel industry recover after COVID-19? Coronavirus is a negative impact on travel and hospitality business. The hotel industry had to deal with different crises and viruses earlier. There was a 50% decline in hotel booking which led to drop of nearly million in international tourists arrive. The truth is the pandemic is temporary and shall pass. Thus we should continue to plan for the future as well as take steps to reduce long-term damage from coronavirus and drive faster recovery. Here are some tips to help hospitality overcome the difficulties that COVID-19 brings. First, adopt cloud technologies. Thanks to innovation and technology, even people-centric industry has hospitality experience and increase in telecommuting. In fact, hotelier can manage all the hotel process without even being there. With cloud-based property management system, they are able to control all operation anytime from anywhere. Second, attract millennial travelers. Millennials are expected to be the first starting traveling once the restrictions are relaxed. Also, millennials are more in tune with advance in mobility and social media. Apart from regular communication, you should adopt technology if you haven't done this yet. Being tech safety travelers, they want a mobile guest experience, personalized massaging deals, and offer the 24/7 service and more. That said, it is hard to overestimate the importance of concierge app adoption. Third, use this time for hotel maintenance and renovation. Coronavirus outbreak doesn't mean hoteliers are closed doors and are just waiting for this period to end. It's a perfect time to catch and improve. To begin, you can make a list of items, things, and everything that needs to be repaired. Pangapat, focus on meal delivery from the hotel restaurant. Hoteliers can take steps to increase restaurant sales during COVID-19. Reconsider your marketing campaigns and try to find effective means of limiting declines like offering special or deals, 2 more 1 meals, a free dessert, even though you might to lose money by giving away free item. It is still help increase the bottom line. Remember about concierge app that can help provide but hotel guests and non-guests with the option of meal delivery right to the rooms without talking to someone. Pang 5. Reconsider existing health and safety techniques, policies, and procedure. Given the continuous nature of the virus, it is crucial to have appropriate health and safety policy in place, especially for hotel business that relies on in-person interaction. We have a self-service pay system, order through mobile apps, non-contact service and order deliveries, complimentary hand sanitizer station at the entrance and exit, suspension of unnecessary workplace gathering, readiness to deal with staffing reduction. Also, hoteliers should closely monitor employees' health condition and take reasonable precaution to ensure that the illness does not spread. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Madolid. We know that this pandemic is a big challenge for all business. But we as a hotel industry, we need to still positive mind, try to respond a new strategy, method, and system. But then, importantly, quick response to the hospitality industry is to protect the health of each staff, and especially our guests. And at the last part of this article, they have a saying that, meanwhile, the future of our industry is bright. The outlook remains positive, and, and the better, healthier day lie ahead. And that's for all. I hope you learned something of how can you recover your business, especially the hotel industry, during this pandemic. Thank you.